Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, Daily. I'm going to be recreating this look, and this is for Coachella. If any of you are going to Coachella, I'm just going to be pretending that I'm also going to be attending the Sarvesh Music Festival. If that's possible, let's see what we can come up with. Masala Coffee is going to be performing. If you're a big fan of Masala Coffee, then make sure to grab your tickets because they are selling out really fast, and they're performing on the Theatres by the Bay. Put a link to it if I could find any information on where you can get your tickets from. But that's the only music festival I believe that's happening in Singapore. But if you're someone who is lucky enough to attend Coachella Music Festival, wow, congratulations, and I'm so happy for you. So I actually came up with this makeup look that's Coachella inspired. So if you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video. While you're here, may I suggest that you click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notifications if you would like to be updated whenever a new video goes up on my channel. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, to speed up the process, I already have my foundation, concealer, eyebrow, all of the powders down, and we're going to be working with the eyes. To prep the eyes, first off, we're going to be beginning by priming our eyelids with a little bit of eyeshadow primer. I'm using the one from MAC, it's called Paint Pot. As usual, I'm setting the eyelid primer down with a little bit of face powder. An oldie but a goodie this time around, I'm going to be returning back to my ABH Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be mixing a few of the oranges from this palette and just working it on my crease. To deepen the warmth of the look that we have on our eyelids, I'm going to be taking the deepest, darkest orange from this palette, and I'm going to be rocking the color into my crease with a back and forth motion with a blending brush. I'm sorry guys, but the footage got lost. I actually cut my crease with the MAC's Paint Pot in Soft Ochre once again and set it down with a little face powder. And now I'm going to be taking this Innisfree single eyeshadow in this beautiful shimmery shade, and I'm just tapping it onto the inner thirds of the eyes, like what you see me doing right here. With another single eyeshadow from Innisfree, this is like a beautiful sparkly greeny, I don't know what to call this, teal color eyeshadow. I'm taking this on a stiff packing brush and I'm just tapping the color onto the outer thirds of my eye, like what you see me do here. And later we're going to be connecting the middle portion with a little bit of blending action that will be taking place very soon. To achieve a cohesive blend, I'm just taking the same first shade again and just tapping it just so that it looks like a nice blend into the deeper, darker teal color that's going on the outer third. To tie the whole look together, I'm going in with the Cypress Umber, the dark brownie shade from the palette, and tapping it onto the outer corners of my eyes and just deepening up the crease a little bit so that it looks really nice, blown and smoky. To smoke out the lower lash line, I'm going to be applying the Rimmel London's Kohl Kajal in black, and I'm just going to be taking the same brown shade and just layering it down and just deepening and hazing out the brown shade just so that it looks nice and smoky. And we're going to be moving on to lining our eyes. I'm going to be using this Essence super precise eyeliner that I've been liking a lot lately, and I'm just drawing a small wing. At this point, no eye look is complete without mascara. I'm just going to be coating my upper and lower lashes with a few coats of mascara, and we're done with the eye. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with a darker shade of lip liner because we're going to be going in with a liquid lip. Just a minute. Once the liquid liner has dried down, and this is the fun part, this is my first time doing this on camera. I'm not really sure if it really suits me or not. I'm just going to be taking a white liquid liner and drawing a line onto the centers of my lower lips like what you see me do here. And on top of that, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Aqua Liner in this super sparkly beautiful color. Not color, it's actually shimmer, and that's how it looks like. It has a very tiny bit of shimmer on top of this white line that you see on my lip. Because it's Coachella, you can have a lot of fun with glitter, sparkles, whatever you name it. I'm just taking a little bit of eyelash adhesive. I believe this is from Ardell Eyelash. And I'm just dabbing the adhesive onto the outer corners of my areas where I usually would highlight. And I'm taking craft stickers. You can actually get this from Art Friend. I'm just sticking random stars to mimic the look like bridal bindi that goes on in Northern Indian weddings. Lock all of the hard work down with a little bit of makeup setting spray, and you're done for Coachella. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this Coachella inspired makeup look and outfit. And if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. It's completely free of charge. So yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!